Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that one coin can change your life token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, one coin is a decentralized meme token on Solana blockchain that reimagines the value of $1 as a symbol of collective beliefs with no pre-sale, roadmap or team allocation. It embodies pure community energy, a minimalistic social experiment in decentralized culture where every click holders and movement represents the idea that one coin can change their life, your life. Built on Solana's first low fee network, one coin thrives through irony, simplicity, and shared conviction rather than promise for hype. One coin can change your life token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion. One coin is listed on Bitmart, X.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.